What if I told you I can teach you how to design? I can teach you how to be a graphic designer. All my graphic designing courses are a monthly subscription and you can cancel anytime. All right, if you are in my group, we call ourselves the Busy Bees, right? I love bumblebees and I love the color pink. Hence the shirt. So we are the Busy Bee Crafters. So I decided to name all of my courses after a particular bee. My first bee, we're going to keep it low. It's the lowest course that I have, and it is called the Honeybees. Now, let's get into it. All right, so the honeybees are for you if you just want to learn how to design, nothing else. You want to learn beginner Photoshop, you want to learn beginner Canva, and that is it. It still comes with the templates. It comes with all of your graphics that you need to complete your designs every single month. And you get all of the mock-ups for $39. This is the course for you if you just want to learn how to design. All right, let's talk about the bumblebees. They are in my middle course. They are going to learn all of the designing, right? Plus, they get crafts. It's only $10 extra a month, and they get all of these spectacular crafts. This is a all-over shirt that we sublimated that I showed them how to do with 8.5 by 11 paper. Yes, you guys, we did this with a small heat press and small printer. I showed them how to do that in beginner's Photoshop. I am going to teach it in Canva as well. If you're ready to get your craft on and make some real money, I teach different crafts, like Miss Medusa over here. Let me show you this plant here that she is in the dashboard. Hi, pretty. She's so cute. We're twins, in case you didn't know. So they are learning basketball sublimation, football sublimation. It's all in the dashboard. They got sublimation mugs, right? But you got to learn how to design first. So you are going to learn how to design them, and you learn how to take your designs and put them on different things. This is a vendor, you guys. This is a vendor that we outsource to. They do shoes. Yes, they do shoes. These are canvas. This is for my daughter. So cute, right? True money maker. Changes the game, y'all. Oh, did I tell you guys we do party treats over there? And I did this banner for my son's birthday party. Oh my God. They absolutely loved it. And you get the vendors. All the vendors come inside of the course, right? $10 more from a honeybee to a bumblebee. Have you seen this banner? This side. This is my business banner. Yes. You get the total vendor for this. And I'm going to teach you guys how to design. Is this backwards to you guys? Hopefully it's not backwards. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. Hopefully. Woo, it's getting hot in here. I got to sit down and talk to you guys about my Queen Bee course. Those people that get my honeybee or my bumblebee course automatically upgrades. They see the value, you guys. I give so much value inside of my Queen Bee course. It is bananas. Remember I told you guys you can downgrade or cancel anytime, but you're not going to want to. I have all access to an AI dashboard where I go over Midjourney, I go over Dolly, Chat GPT. They learned a book in Chat GPT. Go figure that. Look at those coins. They are going to roll in fast. They learned how to do social media and AI. They learned how to do the memorial face swap. It's so cool. They learned that they have a complete prompt book with over 100, maybe 200 prompts. And that's just the AI. I have literally thought of everything. There's memorial stuff, graduation stuff, stoles, graduation shirts, epoxy this, sublimation that, wreaths and dominoes, money bouquets. Y'all are sleeping if y'all don't get in this course. The queen bees is where it's at. And y'all know I did not stop there. Business side. All right. So now my queen bees are learning all about business articles, how to get your EIN, how to operate legally. How many of you guys are operating illegally? Not anymore, because I'm teaching you how to run a legal business, how to dominate social media. We do social media challenges, right? Because we got to get these reels together. Oh, we got to get your photography together first. The queen bees are the queen of the crop. They are learning how to get legal, how to get a EIN number, how to build that business credit. How many of y'all are operating illegal businesses? Okay, I'll wait. I won't tell if you don't. Listen, I am teaching them how to build, design, and maintain their Shopify stores, their Etsy stores. They have accountability partners and more. Y'all, I have tried to think of everything that I can for my queen bees. Wait to see you guys on the other side. Click the link so you guys can join us over in to my Photoshop/Canva designing course, so you guys can make the title of graphic designer, stop paying Etsy, put those coins in your pocket, and let's get this money together.